Are you interested in bringing the garden straight to your counter? If yes, you have to admit you have been through a phase of looking for indoor gardening ideas to beautify your small apartment. It can be inspired by visiting a plant-loving friend's home, seeing an aesthetic photo on Instagram, or having a look at an innovative indoor planting system. Apart from that, indoor gardening is stress-relieving and allows you to grow your own food by getting closer to nature. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 5 best indoor garden for small spaces that you need to keep your passion for gardening alive. So without waiting any longer, let's check out the video.
At Kitchen Gadget Zone, we are food enthusiast people and love to play with different kitchen tools. We test, analyze, and research innovative kitchenware and gadgets to create a shopping guide for every category based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice.
Love gardening but you don't have the space for it? Worry no more! You can grow fresh and healthy indoor greens with the Plantui Smart Indoor Garden without any additional space for its compact size. This smart garden fits 6 plant capsules that lets you grow 6 different plants of your choice at the same time. Also, you can grow plants at the same pace for best growing experience. As its high-end LED lights create perfect sprouting and growth conditions for your greens, you won't have to arrange for individual lighting. It provides the intensity needed for photosynthesis that will allow you to taste the difference from the edible herbs you grow in it. Plus, its smart watering system ensures that your plants get the right amount of water, nutrients, and oxygen, so your plants will stay hydrated. Go after this compact-size smart indoor garden from Plantui and invest time in your hobby of gardening without worrying about space. Want to start your indoor garden from scratch but not sure how to do it? Kickstart your indoor gardening with the Grobo Start Home Garden and Seed Starter for its ease of use. This kit includes 3 pods with 3 transparent humidity domes so your seed can grow efficiently. It also includes an adjustable LED light, water level indicator, removable water tank that makes it easy for you to clean and refill. Moreover, it boosts up seed germination and survival rates as it provides the ideal environment for your seedlings. It's suitable for your home or office because you can use it as an indoor herb and veggie garden to grow parsley, oregano, cherry tomatoes, kale, and more. In short, this indoor garden from Grobo Start provides you with ease of use along with letting you enjoy the process of growing plants and the benefits of growing your own food at home. The Indoor Garden by Nature box is designed to provide you with maximum return on an indoor garden with minimal effort in an eco-friendly way, so you can grow ornamental and edible plants without harming the environment. Its soilless coconut fiber layer ensures there is no dust, peat, or dirt, which makes it ideal for your indoor gardening. As it's fully automated, you can save time and energy by not having to weed, fertilize, water, or worry about lighting for your indoor garden. Its compostable and replaceable plant pots help to grow your favorite flowers like mini flora rose and petunia, and herbs like thyme, cilantro, and dill. Interestingly, its Nature Box app will remind you when to add water. You will be able to monitor and note down your plant's growth and share it online to compare with others. Be smart and take care of nature with the indoor garden from Nature Box that will give you satisfactory results for sure. Get ready to step up your gardening game with the brilliant indoor gardening robot, Herbot, which is powered by artificial intelligence to enhance your indoor gardening experience. This robot saves energy up to 80% and acts as a gardening expert for you, so you can grow your berries, salad greens, beans, and medicinal herbs at home, regardless of climate and lack of gardening experience. Moreover, it precisely knows when to feed and water the plants inside it, along with the level of lighting the plants need for healthy growth. Astonishingly, its Herbot OS app remembers your prior preferences to keep your plants growing at the same pace. Since Herbot knows what plants you grow, it adjusts the system's environment to your plant's growth to ensure that you get the best results. Your smart home needs the super smart indoor gardening Herbot that's powered by artificial intelligence to leave your plant lover friends in awe. Are you willing to upgrade your vegetable intake and master your cooking skills? The Rise Garden Smart Garden that is our best pick for today is a countertop gadget that lets you grow rosemary, thyme, and other small veggies indoors. This comes with a smart app that monitors your plant's progress. Through the app and LED lights, you will know when to harvest your plants and stay informed on when to add nutrients and water. Plus, its customized lights with LED panels imitate the sunlight and provide the wide-ranging light that plants usually need to grow. Additionally, this Wi-Fi-enabled gardening gadget only takes 18 inches of your space, so you don't have to worry about fitting it in your small countertop. Eat healthier and enjoy a farm-to-table experience for which you don't need to leave home. This smart garden from Rise Gardens is sure to boost up your passion for having fresh and healthy ingredients within reach. So that's all for our video about the 5 best indoor garden for small spaces that you may want to look into right away. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video and found it to be helpful, please do like, comment, and share this. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.